Hi kids. In today's session you are going to learn about exploring continents. Under that you are going to learn about Africa. Africa, it is the second largest and second most populous continent after Asia. It stretches from 37 degree 21 minute north latitude to 34 degree 51 minutes south latitude, and also from 17 degree 33 minute west longitude to 51 degree 27 minute east longitude. The equator passes through the middle of Africa and cuts into two equal halves. It is the only one continent through which the major latitudes like Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, all the three passes. Its north-south extent is 7623 km and east-west extent is 7260 km. The prime meridian passes near Accra, the capital of Ghana in the west of this continent. Only the Africa is located in all the four hemispheres. Africa, it is nicknamed as a mother continent as it was the oldest inhabited continent on earth. And also Africa is called as a dark continent because at the beginning the interior of Africa was largely unknown to other people. The continent of Africa consists of 54 countries. On the basis of their geographical location, the countries are grouped as West Africa, North Africa, Central Africa, Eastern Africa and Southern Africa. The northwestern African countries of Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Mauritania and Tunisia are collectively called as Maghreb, which means west in Arabic language. Now you are going to learn about physiographic divisions of Africa. Africa, it consists of the mixture of landforms such as mountains, plateaus and plains. All the continents like that alone it will consist there. Madagascar is the major island of Africa. First you are going to learn about Sahara. It is the world famous desert located in the northern part of Africa, and also it is the largest hot desert in the world. It is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean in the west, Red Sea in the east and the Mediterranean Sea in the north and Sahel in the south. This desert alone covers the areas of 11 countries. It consists of the many topographical features such as mountain, plateaus, ridges, oases, sand and gravel covered plains, salt flats, basins and depressions. Okay, Atlas Mountains lies in the northwest of Africa. It is Youngfold Mountain. It separates the Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. The highest point is Mount Toubkal. Sahel, it means border or margin. Sahel is a semi-arid tropical savanna region which lies between the Sahara Desert in the north and savanna grassland in the south. Savanna, tropical dry grasslands with scattered trees are known as savanna. It is located near the equator and covers almost half of the area of Africa. Trees are the main features of the landscape. In some parts of the savanna, tall grass covers the other areas. Animals of many species graze in this zone. Actually, this one is called as the open air zoo. The Great Rift Valley and the Great Lakes of Africa. Rift Valley, it is a large crack in the earth's surface formed by the shifting of tectonic plates. It stretches from northern Syria in Asia to central Mozambique in Africa for a distance of 6,400 kilometers. It runs through the eastern Africa and contains many lakes. The African Great Lakes are a series of lakes found in the Rift Valley. The water in the Great Lakes of Africa constitutes about 25% of the planet's unfrozen surface freshwater. There are 7 major lakes in this region. Lake Victoria of this region is the largest freshwater body in Africa and second largest in the world. Next, East African Islands. Most probably the African mountains are found in these islands. It stretches from Ethiopia to Cape of Good Hope. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak located in these islands. and it enjoys misty mornings and fresh mountain breezes which attract large number of tourists from other parts of the world. Here the population is very sparsely only there. Swahili Coast. It is located along the shores of East Africa. It was a region where the Africans and Arabs mixed to create a unique culture referred to as Swahili culture. People of this coast are called as Swahili. The Congo Basin or Zaire Basin. Congo Basin lies on the both sides of the equator in the West Central Africa. It provides food, shelter, medicine, water and materials for over 7.5 million people. It is the world's second largest river basin next to Amazon. Southern Africa. Most part of the Southern Africa is a plateau region. Drakensberg mountain is found in the eastern portion of the escarpment. The region which is covered with grasslands known as veld. Kalahari Desert lies in the south and Namib Desert is along the southwest shore of Africa. Kalahari Desert in this region is not actually a desert but a bushy scrubland situated between the Orange and Zambezi rivers. Sheep rearing in semi-arid region of South Africa is called as Karus. Next we will move on to the drainage of Africa. River Nile, River Congo or Zaire, River Niger, River Zambezi are the important rivers in the Africa. Nile is the longest river in the world. It has two tributaries, White Nile which originates from Burundi and the Blue Nile which originates from Ethiopia. These two join and form the Nile River at Khartoum in Sudan. It flows towards northward and drains into the Mediterranean Sea. Nile is known as the father of African rivers. The country Egypt is called the gift of the Nile as it is the lifeline of the Egypt. River Congo or Zaire. Congo is the second largest river of Africa. Congo rises in the highlands of northeastern Zambia between lakes Tanganyika and Nyasa. It flows through West Central Africa and drains into the Atlantic Ocean. Niger is one of the major rivers in the West Africa and rises from the islands of Guinea. The Zambezi River is the fourth longest in Africa. It rises in the northwestern Zambia. It is about 2,574 km long and drains into the Indian Ocean. The world famous waterfall Victoria is formed by the river at the height of 108 meters. It is called the Southern Africa's River of Life. Next we will move on to the climate. North and South Africa experience the arid and semi-arid climate where the rainfall is scanty. And 10 degree to 20 degree latitude on either side of the equator experience the tropical savanna climate, which one is the wet climate as well as the dry climate. Equatorial climate. It is found in the region of the Congo River Basin and also East African islands. Here the temperature and as well as the rainfall both will be very high. Temperate climates prevails in southern tip of South Africa. Mediterranean climate found in the northwestern and southwestern tips of Africa. Tropical monsoon climate found in the eastern shore of Africa, and here summers are hot with monsoon winds bringing good rainfall while winters are cool and dry. A hot and dry dusty local wind blowing from the Sahara Desert to Guinea coast is called Harmattan. A hot local wind blowing from Sahara to Mediterranean Sea is called Sirocco. Tropical rainforest is called the jewel of the earth and the world's largest pharmacy we can find here. Next you are going to learn about the flora and fauna. Baobab, fever tree and sage are the major trees of Africa. The animals like giraffe and also white rhinoceros, western green mambo, zebra, African elephant, chimpanzee, gorilla, wild beast, hippopotamus and so many major animals we can find in the Africa. Bonobo, wild dogs, hyena and lemur are also the typical animals of Africa. Next, agriculture. It is the major economic activity of the African continent. Wheat, it is grown in the temperate grasslands, Mediterranean region and the Nile Valley. Rice is cultivated in Guinea Coast, Mozambique, Madagascar, and Nile Valley. Maize and millets are grown all over the plateau region. Cotton is the chief cash crop of Africa. Egypt and Sudan cultivate the best quality long stable cotton in the world. Coffee it is grown in Ethiopia. Ghana is the chief producer of cocoa. Oil palm it is cultivated in Western African countries. Sugarcane, rubber, sisal and tobacco are the other major crops we can find in the Eastern African countries. Minerals. Diamonds are found in South Africa, Congo, Botswana, Syria, Leone and Angola. And also in Angola, Nigeria, Gabon and Congo have more oil reserves also. Gold is found in South Africa, Namibia, West Africa and Ghana. Zinc and nickel, chromium, cobalt, copper, iron ore and manganese also we can find in these areas. Transport. Transport we know landways, waterways, airways. These three types of the ways we know, isn't it? The roadways and railways in Africa are poorly developed due to the presence of many barriers. It's very difficult to lay the roads and rail across the deserts and also in the dense forest. Waterways. Africa has the trade routes between Asia and Australia in the east, Europe in the north and America in the west. Major seaports of Africa are Durban, Dar es Salaam and Mogadishu in the Indian Ocean. Port Said and Alexandria on the Mediterranean Sea, Cape Town, Algiers and Abidjan on the Atlantic Ocean. Airways. They connect the capital cities of Africa and the other parts of the world. The major international airports of the continent are Cairo, Johannesburg, Nairobi, Dakar, Addis Ababa, Casablanca, Durban, Douala and Lagos. Population. World's second most populous continent is Africa. The United Nations estimated the population of Africa as 131 crores in 2019. Population is unevenly distributed due to the physical barriers. Nigeria is the most populous country of Africa, followed by Ethiopia. Thank you, kids.